This is an update to the last video I made on the smoke alarms at Lowe's. Starting here, I'm at a different spot. SMI CO105 ACs, SMI 105 AC, SM210s, CO606, and some fire extinguishers, and a dryer vent cleaning kit. Here's some more SMI CO105 ACs, SMI 105 AC, SM210, CO606 again, and here's the same things here. Over here we have some CO710s, some SMCO210s, there's more of them, and SM210, which is actually in the way of these SM210 2-packs. Here's some more fire extinguishers. In fact, I'm going to take this. Alright, take this and put it back. Alright, we're at the main event now. So let's start with the first alert section. Some more SM210s. Some SC5s, this is new. SMCO210V. More SMCO210s. And here's some more down here. SMCO500V. SMCO210 2-pack. Oh, there's an older one back here too. SMCO210 2-pack, SMCO210 2-pack. SMCO110V AC, this is new. SMICO105 AC again. Here's more. SMICO100 AC. Here's more of them. More SMI 105 ACs. More of them. SMI 100 AC. More of them. Here's more of them. Oh, wow. Wait. Yeah, they just have SM210Ls right here. Hang on. Yep. It looks like... Oh, wait. Sweet. They have some. Let's see if I can get them out of the way. Here we go. Come on. Here we go. SM210Vs. SM210L. Here's some more SM210Ls. Whoa. Sorry about that. SM210M. CO615. Here's some more CO615s. More CO710s. What is it called? GCO1CN. Sorry. More of them. Oh, look, a CO400 where it doesn't belong. Anyways, CO606 again. CO606 again. It's still that older one, too. CO606 again. CO400 2-pack. CO606 2-pack. CO606 2-pack. CO400. CO400 2-pack. CO400. CO400 2-pack. CO400 2-pack. Where it doesn't belong. And CO400 2-pack. And look, these Nova Detect units, too. Alright. Now on to the radon test kits. First alert Tundra again. And an escape ladder. Nice. Alright, at the BRK section. SMI CO110. SMCO110 VAC. SMI CO100 AC. SM100 VAC. SMI 100 AC. SMI 100. SMI CO105 AC. SMI CO100 AC. SMI 105 AC. SMI 100 AC. SMI CO1... Wait, SMI CO100 AC right here? What? Hang on, let me fix that. Alright, there we go. SMI 100 AC and SMI 110. SMI CO105 AC contractor packs. SMI CO100 AC contractor pack. SMI 105 AC contractor pack. SMI 100 AC contractor pack. SMI 100 AC contractor pack. And SMI 110 contractor pack. Here's some fire extinguishers. Oh, I didn't know they had these Buckeye extinguishers too. Alright. Oh yeah, here's some more GCO1CNs at the appliances. And finally, some more CO606 2-packs and some SM2CO210 2-packs. Here's some more. Alright, hope you all like this video. I will see y'all soon. Goodbye.